Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your smoke alarm from beeping. I'm also going to explain some of the most common reasons why it happens, and I will walk you through some of the quick fixes that you can try at home. So first of all, if your smoke alarm is beeping every few minutes, the most common causes is the low battery. So even if the alarm still seems to be working, a weak battery can trigger a warning chirp. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply replace the battery with the fresh one. After installing the new battery, you just have to simply press the test button. So when you press the test button, you just have to wait for some time until the alarm resets. Now, if your smoke alarm is hardwired, you just have to check whether there has been a recent power outage. Some of the hardwired models have a backup battery that may also need replacing. Now, another most common reason of this particular problem is the dust or the debris inside the alarm. So over time, the dust can interfere with the sensors and then it can cause the false warnings. So in order to fix it, you just have to use a vacuum cleaner or a can of compressed air to carefully clean around the vents. So finally, when you are done with it, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button on top of your smoke alarm. If you are not able to find the reset button, you can also press and hold the test button, and then you just have to press and hold it for few seconds until the beep stops. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.